Lesson 1. Setting up your development environment. React Native allows you to build mobile applications using JavaScript in React. Before you can start building your first React Native app, you need to set up your development environment. Follow these steps. Install Node.js. React Native requires Node.js to run. You can download and install Node.js from the official website, Node.js. Install React Native CLI. React Native provides a command line interface, CLI, for creating and managing projects. Install it globally using npm node package manager by running the following command in your terminal or command prompt. npm install g React Native CLI. Install Xcode for macOS. If you're developing iOS apps, you need to install Xcode from the Mac App Store. Create your first React Native project. Once you have all the prerequisites installed and set up, you can create your first React Native project. Open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to the directory where you want to create your project, and run the following command. npx React Native init my first app. Run your app. Navigate into your project directory, cd my first app. Then, you can run your app on a simulator or device. npx React Native run iOS. * explore the project structure. Take some time to explore the files and folders in your project. The main files you'll work with are located in the src directory. The entry point of your app is usually app.js, where you can start writing your React Native code. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your development environment and created your first React Native project. You're now ready to start building mobile apps with React Native.